Hi, this is Josh with Tekamo News, and today we're talking about how Mecalac has launched 3 new swing loader models in the North American market. The all-new AS1600, 850, and 1000 models join the previously released swing loaders. The Mecalac swing loaders offer new capabilities to the North American market. Mecalac has designed a product that addresses the shortcomings of traditional loaders, improving productivity and completely stable in all positions. The mid-size AS850 has an operating rate of 13,184 pounds and a bucket capacity of 1.1 cubic yards. Combine that with the Mecalac swivel boom, and contractors have a machine that can perform a complete rotation in a footprint that is 20% smaller than a conventional loader. There's some good stats for you. At the same time, the swing loader is designed to maintain 100% stability, regardless of how it's positioned. Science. The bucket and its contents can be lifted and turned up to 90 degrees on either side without any loss of stability. Finally, the pivoting boom makes it possible to position the machine once to complete a loading task, significantly reducing the footprint and saving time. I look forward to seeing some of these in the North American market. Let us know if you have any of these operating in your area. For more news on Mecalac, follow us at Tekamo News. Mecalac. If I'm not saying it right, could someone please spell it phonetically in the comments below? Or even send in a video of you saying the word.